is almost here, and it's time to get some planning done for the next few themes for March, April, and May. I have a bunch of packets here that I need to get organized, and looking at my academic planner here, I have March, April, and May. March, we will be doing rainbows and space. April, we're going to be doing spring and butterflies, and May will be bees and garden. I will include links for all of these below. So I have my nice big file folder here. Everything's going to slide in here perfectly right in the month, so they're ready to grab when I have them. I do have some nice spring curriculum guides here. These are really helpful and have lots of good ideas and things to keep the kids busy for the spring months. So I will make sure to leave links for these. These packets are from Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds. I love them. They're completely reasonable. They fit perfect with my age group. I just love how bright and cute and refreshing the graphics are. And so I have about 5 packets here. They're all spring theme related. So this first one is a dot packet. These are perfect for the sticker dot. Kids just love putting those little stickers on there. They can also color these or use the dot paints with them. So we have a whole bunch of different ones here. There's some flowers, some things that are going to work great with the garden theme. Some for our April spring theme. We're going to be doing a lot with birds and nests and eggs. So we'll make sure to separate all of these and file them away so we don't forget about them. And then also some butterflies and other insects in this packet as well. Next is this prop packet, and this has several different props that we'll be able to utilize through the spring, and some raindrop ones, some egg ones, and some tulip color matching, as well as these cute little caterpillars. I will also get those separated out and put in their proper months. And then I also have been collecting some coloring pages. I like to have a coloring sheet, something different nearly every day, and to pull out, and the kids just love working on these most of the time first thing in the morning or in the afternoon before pickup, and it's just a great fine motor. First off, we have our rainbow theme, and of course, because it's St. Patrick's Day, we'll be doing some St. Patrick's Day stuff. It goes right along with that. And this was a St. Patrick's Day packet. It has some great activities in here, some counting things, some color activities, as well as some cute leprechaun props. There's a ton of really fun leprechaun songs that we'll be doing, some action songs, and then also some shamrock pre-writing, some counting cards, and a very cute coloring page as well. So we're going to get everything that's going to pertain to our rainbow theme and pop that right in here into this file and have that ready to go. This saves so much time when I'm going to switch out a theme and I need my activities. I can just grab this out and it's good to go. So next is space. I don't have anything here for the space theme. I have a lot of materials that I'm collecting and I'm making, so stay tuned. I will be showing that in the near future. We're going to be talking a little bit about wind and weather also coming into these spring months. Next will be April, and for our spring theme, like I said before, I want to do all things birds and nests and eggs, and talking a lot about life cycles and baby animals and just all that great stuff will fall perfectly into this. Along with, if we're still talking about spring weather, we're going to be talking about rain and other things like that pertaining to weather. The second half of May we'll be doing butterflies, and this gets me really excited. This is one of my favorite themes because we get some butterfly cocoons and the kids get to watch those turn into butterflies. And so I was really excited when there was a Hungry Caterpillar packet on Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds. So I went ahead and nabbed that, and there's a lot of really great activities as well as some coloring pages that are, and some props for the story that are going to be a lot of fun to incorporate into our butterfly theme. And then also we have these adorable little caterpillar props. I think we'll have a lot of fun with those. Probably just using that for a counting activity, maybe have them count little caterpillars to match up with those numbers. This is a spring preschool activity packet, and this one had a few items in it that I think will also work in our butterfly theme. But there's a lot with the garden and flowers in this one, but I'm going to pull out just these pattern cards and I'm going to get those filed away. And I just know that if I get these, even if I print the packets, I'm just going to forget what's in there. And if I can get it sorted out and put away, then I won't forget it. and then just so much more convenient, and it makes me feel nice and organized. Here we go. This is the second half of April for the butterfly theme. So then we're going to be looking at May, and the first half of May we will be doing bees. This came in a prop packet, this Bee Hive and the little bees. It's our favorite song, the Bee Hive song. And then also in this spring packet, there are some fun pre-writing cards that are going to go perfectly. And then of course, we'll pull the fun bee out from that dot packet. And those are all going to be filed away, ready to go for that. The second half of May, we're going to be doing garden. And this was a big garden nursery dramatic play packet. And there's just a lot aside from just the dramatic play, which is really fun with the signs. And then there's some things that you can add to your dramatic place, like some seeds and some coupons and word cards and money and a whole bunch of different things, an order form, and then other things that the children can practice writing on. But there's also a lot of learning activities like these counting puzzles. There's a whole bunch of these. And then my favorite part of this are the flower word tracing coloring pages. So they have all of the flowers and then they can trace along those lines. Spring prop packet, the flowers are going to go in there. And then anything else that's left over from this spring packet with all these fun flower activities, that's going to go in there, including these flower patterning cards. So we're going to have a lot of fun with garden, and these are just going to go so perfectly into our learning environment. And then also, of course, some little garden critters and a flower dot page. We'll make sure to get that filed away so that we can use these dot pages during our garden theme. So that's pretty much it. Did not take very long, and that's going to save me a lot of time down the road and make me feel a lot more organized. So I'm going to pop all of these in right in my file, right in the months where they belong. That feels really good to have all this done. But I hope this helps, and I hope it gives you some good ideas and some inspiration on how to get organized for the spring themes. But stay tuned because I will be releasing our next theme video very soon. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out.